Before you ever buy or wear these cloths, that your rondon blah, before you slip into that second-hand waist trainer or tighten that sweet Victoria's Secret bra from Ariaria, pause, just pause and listen to this story, because what I'm about to tell you isn't just a tale, it's a warning. It's a truth hidden beneath lace, leggings, and cheap packaging. Ariaria Market in Aba is more than a marketplace. It's a living beast. It breathes heat. It sweats noise. And in the heart of that beast stood Madame B, a mountain of a woman with a thunderous voice, and a shop full of imported innerwear, bras, tights, waist shapers, all fairly used. Girls of all classes and sizes bent down to select. Madames trooped in. Everyone wanted to package well. But behind her stall, something burned. A big black pot, always on fire, always steaming, always hidden. And then children started disappearing. Whispers turned into screams. Rumors turned into rage. They said she used juju. They said that pot was for rituals. They said she boiled more than cloth. Until one day, the police stormed her shop, guns drawn, sirens blaring. They kicked the pot over, and what came out? Not bones, not blood, not bodies, but guess what? People gasped. Police moved back in shock. And then she said something no one was ready to hear. My friend, you will love the end of this story. You need to hear this story. Welcome to IDECA African Folktales, where every story teaches, touches, and transforms. Please remember to like my story.
Oh, your tight and bra don lando, your foreign tight. They know they select and keep, then go collect them. Package wear, madam. Anti-package wear. Life na packaging. Package ya ada zeno, package ya ada zena. Iga like ya, madam, who had don't carry come again. Oh, our Aba tight don lando, London tight. This one land this morning. Mommy, tie you ada zeno, brother buy for your baby, daddy buy for your wife. Our London tight don lando. Oh, yo, bra.
Ariaria Market in Aba was like a living creature. Wild, loud, and always moving. Traders shouting prices, customers bargaining, bosses honking in the background, and the unforgettable smell of roasted corn and sweat in the air. But in one corner of this chaos stood a shop that was different. Not because it was the biggest, not because it had a glass door or air conditioning, but because of the voice that echoed through that lane like a hit song on repeat. Your chat and bra don lando. Package well, madam. Life na package, you know. She was called Madame B, short for Big Mama Bra, a woman as massive as her market reputation. Bold hips, louder voice, and sharper tongue. Her skin glowed, her wrappers were always colorful, and her confidence made you stop in your tracks. Girls of all kinds, big girls, small girls, runs girls, students, thick madams, all bent down to select from her shop like it was a gold mine. The secret? She sold premium, fairly used innerwear imported straight from Europe and America. Lacy bras that once belonged to Italian women. Sport tights that once hugged yoga queens in Manchester. Some were designer, Calvin Klein, Victoria's Secret, Marks and Spencer. But there was something strange. Behind her shop, always steaming, was a big black iron pot. Always on fire, morning till night, rain or sun. Always bubbling, steaming, smoking. At first, people ignored it. But this is Nigeria, where silence gives birth to suspicion. Soon, rumors began to spread like kerosene fire. That woman, they used juju. That pot na ritual pot. My sister said she see pipe pan inside one day. I beg, market don't spoil. Person where they sell pan, they use sacrifice, boil lamb. And then children started missing in the market. 3 kids gone in 2 weeks. No trace, no witness. Suddenly, All eyes turned to Madam B. Her shop, her pot, her booming business, her laughter. And one day, the market exploded.
Yo, tight and bra. Your foreign tight has landed, oh. Madam package wear, auntie package wear, life na package, you know. Madam ho ha don land, my tight don land. Sister mommy, tell you adazienu and adaziana, package wear, life na packaging. Your London blood don land. Foreign tight, eager like ya, daddy, mommy, buy for your wife, brother, buy for your babe, eager like ya.
A fellow trader in Ariaria Market, bitter with envy and slow sales, called the tax force and the market masters for Madam B, claimed she saw a child struggling inside the boiling pot. The tax force didn't waste time. They stormed Ariaria with sirens and rifles, scattering tables, shouting, "Everybody down!" People screamed. Traders locked their shops. Customers ran. But Madam B, she stood, calm, unshaken, watching. "Are you Madam B?" the officer barked. "Na me," she replied, with arms folded and chest high. They presented a search warrant and charged into the back room like soldiers in a raid. They went for the pot like bloodhounds. With a heavy kick, they turned the pot over. Splash! Hot water steamed the earth, and then came a flood of soggy cloths, bras, tights, shorts, lacy undies, waist shapers, all soaked and rolling out. The market froze. No blood, no bones, no children, no charms. Just cloth. Used, boiled, cleaned cloth. Madam B collapsed onto a plastic chair and burst into tears. "Is this what you came to do? To disgrace me? To spoil my market? To damage what I built with my hand? You have seen it. My pot is not a charm. It's not ritual. It's my sterilizer." The officers looked confused. The crowd watched in stunned silence. She stood up, wiped her tears, and raised her voice for everyone to hear. "I sell second-hand innerwears, bras, tights, pants, and let me tell you the truth you don't know. Many of these things are shipped straight from mortuaries and hospitals abroad. Yes, where people died wearing them." Gasps. Some had infections, some had cancers, some had diseases we don't even have names for here. And many of my customers don't know. They wear them straight and walk away. They don't wash, they don't boil. But I value their lives more than profit. That pot you mocked is the reason no customer of mine has ever returned with itching, rash, or infection. There was silence. Then one elderly woman stepped forward and said, "Forgive us, we judged you wrongly." Others joined. The policemen removed their caps. Even the officer who kicked the pot apologized. As for the woman who made the false claim, she was taken away in handcuffs for raising a false alarm and endangering public peace. Moral lessons. Never judge what you don't understand. The truth may be less glamorous but more noble than it looks. Kindness doesn't always wear fine clothes. Madam B protected her customers in a way they didn't even know. Hygiene matters, especially for second-hand items. Wash, boil, sterilize. Your health depends on it. Don't spread false rumors. They can destroy what someone built for years. And above all, let people package, but also let them protect. Like this story? Drop a comment. Subscribe for more real stories with deep morals. Share to help someone make better choices today.
Yo, tight and bra. Your foreign tight has landed oh. Madam package well, auntie package well, life na packaging oh. Madam Hoha don land, my tight don land. Sister mommy, tell you adazienu and adaziana, package well, life na packaging. Your London blood don land. Foreign tight, eager like ya, daddy, mommy, buy for your wife, brother, buy for your babe, eager like ya, yo tight, yo bra. Yo tight and bra don land oh. Your foreign tight, they no dey select and keep oh, dem go collect am oh. Package well madam, aunty package well, life na packaging. Package ya adazienu, package ya adeziana. Ị ga like ya, Madam Hoha don carry come again oh. Our Aba tight don land oh. London tight, this one land this morning. Mommy, tie your adazienu, brother buy for your baby, daddy buy for your wife. Our London tight don land oh, yo bra.
Oh